for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. Come and sing with me. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. Let's sing happily. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, glue. We're learning A to Z. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. So much fun for me. M is for moon. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. It's easy as can be. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen. R is for rat. Come sing along with me. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. What a happy melody. V is for van, van. U is for watch, watch. X is for xanatho, xanatho. Almost done, you see. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we know our ABCs. Sing and smile.